What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I got a new product I designed to show you guys. It is a 1RC EDM bumper. If you have an EDM, you know that it's a pain in the butt to change the chassis on these, and with the metal bumper it's easy to break the chassis because you hit an impact super hard and it pushes in the plastic and it busts the chassis. Now with my bumpers, they're made of TPU 3D printer filament, so they flex, and they're printed at 100% infill, so they're as strong as they can be, but they flex back, so they should be pretty dang durable. They are durable. I got multiple different colors. I have mod bumpers up for sale on eBay. If you check them out, all the colors I have are in the picture, and I will list the colors in the description for this on eBay also, all the colors I have. And this is the version 10 bumper. I'll show you guys the old bumper I designed for it. This is the first working version, version 7. It was a pretty good bumper, held up pretty good. The only problem I had was that they were breaking right here, so that's why I didn't release these ones to the public. Then I came up with this version 8. Has little triangles on there, but this one broke too, so that was junk. Then I got to version 9. I made this a lot bigger because on the see it's a lot smaller, so I made this one bigger. The only problem I had with this one was that when I designed it, there was a crack in the designing software, like a little line between it, so that wasn't a huge deal, so I just fixed that line, and now we got version 10. These are going to be for sale on eBay. I'll have the link down below for them. They're going to be $15 with plus shipping, whatever that is for shipping. And I'll show some running video, probably showed some in the beginning. I'll show some at the end also. Thank you for watching, and here's some running video.